Upon the hill at Karbeethong,
where the old lake opens wide,
Bottom Lake in autumn light,
and the narrows like a guide.
jetties reaching from the shore,
Boats at rest and boats set free,
and the day lies warm upon the water,
like it's waiting there for me. There's the bush behind the weatherboards, there's the shine along the bay, there's a sailboat catching just enough of the late and easy day.
there's a fisher easing home again, there's a wake that fades to glass,
There's a life here built on tide and timber, and the quiet seasons passing.
oh, I've seen grander places named by strangers,
But not one that holds the heart this way.
Karbeethong, Karbeethong, you get into the blood, in the lake light, in the soft breeze, in the grain of weathered wood. For the poets, for the dreamers, for the ones who read the sky, for the sailors and the fishers and the seagull riding high. Sometimes out beyond the moorings, there's a seal that comes to play,
Lifting up through silver water,
then vanishing away.
and above the hill the eagle hangs and hardly seems to move,
Like it knows this old inlet country, like it feels it too.
There's a lodge up on the hillside, there are stories in the pine,
There are people came for one good season and stayed a lifetime's time.
painters, drifters, working hands, lovers of the lake and rain.
Those who saw in this far corner something worth returning to again.
It's not loud and it's not showy,
No, it never had to be.
it just settles in your spirit like the tide beneath the trees.
Karbeethong, Karbeethong, you get into the blood, in the lake light, in the soft breeze, in the grain of weathered wood. For the poets, for the dreamers, for the ones who read the sky, for the sailors and the fishers and the seagull riding high.
I have watched the weather gather,
Gray across the top lake line,
then clear away to leave the whole world
golden, still and fine.
I have heard the halyards knocking, seen the evening settle slow,
Seen the lamps along the jetties,
shine like embers down below. And if you ask what keeps us faithful, why some places never fade,
it's the bush, the light, the breathing water, and the peace these old hills made.
the lake and sky and land,
just enough to make a person stop and finally understand. Karbeethong, Karbeethong, you get into the blood, in the lake light, in the soft breeze, in the grain of a weathered wood. For the poets, for the dreamers, for the ones who read the sky, for the sailors and the fishers and the seagull riding. Karbeethong, Karbeethong, you get into the soul, through the stillness, through the seasons, you restore and make us whole. Here's to all who truly see it and give thanks for what remains, for the lake, the bush, the autumn, and the blessing of these days.
on the hill at Karbeethong, with a wide lake shining through.
For the poets, for the dreamers, and for those who know it true.